Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to show you a technique that will make your life so much easier. And let's say that you have seen something in the video that you want to copy or grab text from. So it's very easy to do. Let me show you how. So first of all, just play the video and come to the part where you want to copy that particular text. For example, like here it shows the text. Now let's full screen so that you can clearly see the image. Now let's take the screenshot, that is, hold the control key and press the print screen button. And now what we want to do is I'll go to the Canva and here I'll just press Ctrl V, so it will directly paste that. Now since this is a screenshot and we are not able to see it clearly, so just expand the image up to the point where you can clearly see the text. Alright, like this. Now, what we will do is, I'll go to the edit image and click on grab text. Now make sure that you are using the educational version or the pro version of Canva and not the free version. Because these are all Magic Studio options that you will only find in the educational version, but that's not a problem. Because you can easily find this in the Facebook search. Just write Canva Pro here. And just scroll down, you will get a lot of offers in a very cheap price. You can get the Canva Pro for lifetime. So these are a lot of ads that you can contact on and grab your educational version. Anyways, let's move back to the topic, and I'll go to this text, click on edit image and click on grab text. It will take it time to process, and then it will identify all the text that is mentioned in the particular screenshot or a picture. I'll just select the text that I want to grab. I'll just select this and click on grab here, and then let's see the magic of it. It identified and make this text editable. I can just copy this, paste it somewhere if you want to, or you can also edit it in the picture. So let's say that you want to remove some text from the picture, like a little branding in the background. You can do that as well. So this is a simple technique that you can try. And guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button and comment on the channel if you want to see some more amazing videos. And this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.